Alright guys, I just got the demo done of the Navac 4-port manifold gauge. We're going to check those things out. Pretty cool. I really enjoyed using them today. Let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna get this demo done of the Navac N4A3H manifold gauge. Right off the bat, there's a couple of features that pop out at you. Impact resistant, okay, and we have a folding hook here on the back, which you can see here. And this is good for R22, 404A, and 410A, meaning that the PT charts on the gauges are good for these refrigerants. Okay, let's open this thing up and have a look inside. Okay, right off the bat, it's a beautiful looking set. Okay, this is the 4-port model. Okay, we have some ball valves here to shut these ports off. Down on the bottom is where we receive pressure, and on the side is where you put your hose when the hoses aren't in use. And as you can see, we have a sight glass. Okay, we have 3 1/8 inch gauges on here. Okay. And it's an impact resistant tool. Nice rubber cover over top of the gauge set to protect them. Now let's look at the hoses inside and see what we get there. So included in the set, we're going to get a yellow, red, and blue hose, 5 feet in length. We're going to get a black hose, 3/8, also 5 feet in length. And we're going to get some larger fittings that attach for the 410A systems. Okay, now if you're going to attach these for whatever reason, I recommend using some nylon to seal those up. Also, we can add some ball valves or some check valves to these in order to prevent refrigerant leaking out when we're putting our gauges on or pulling them off the system. Okay guys, forgive me, it's a little bit loud out here. I'm working on a chiller with a scroll trio. These are all piped in parallel, and where I'm checking the pressures is basically checking the system overall, all 3 compressors there. So I got the gauges hooked up, we got R22 in the system, and we're reading around 70 PSI, okay? And that corresponds to a 40-degree evaporator temperature. There's the R22 scale on the inside. Over here, we're about 200, okay, high side, and we're reading just above 100 degrees condensing temperature. Again, the R22 scale's on the inside. You can see the needles are not jumping around. They're pretty steady, okay, which is very, very good. I got these ball valves closed off right now, but when I open them up, you can see how we can utilize that sight glass in there. We got flow through there. Awesome. Close those off. Okay guys, that is the Navac N4A3H manifold gauge. Pretty cool setup. You can see I got the hook hanging here on the compressor so we don't have to hold it. Happy HVACing guys.